Okay, so the next formatting will help you to represent the number in thousands and in millions. So this is a very important formatting technique. Say, imagine you have some firm, say JBM firm, and they are actually trying to represent their sales in thousands and in millions. So this is the first product, say product one, the sales that they have done. So let me just indicate there as sales. So the sales that they have done is say 570,000. I'm just writing there 57000 and one more zero. And then product two, say, of course they're all in dollars. So what you can do is you can have the specification dollar there, and everything will be converted into dollars. So you can just pull them down and you have the dollar figure. But I'm not really happy with the dollar there. In other words, I want to indicate them in thousands and millions. I want to indicate the revenue in thousands and in millions. So let me just increase the font size to get a better view. So that is fine. So now I've got data here. Let me increase the font there. I've got the data there. So that hash symbolizes the cell is too small. So 570,000 is there. So I want that value to be printed, 570,000. So how are we going to go there? How are we going to do that? So I'm just going to control and copy them and go to the next cell. I'm going to control plus alt plus V. I will say values and along with your format. So that's given to me, values along with your format. So press enter, you get the values along with your formats. Now if you were to highlight or go and select a cell and press control and 1, go to number, and if you were to select custom formatting, it talks about the format that is exactly used there, but I don't want all this, so I just want to clean it off. Within quotes, say K. That K means grants, right? Thousands. So when you click enter, it says 570,000. You follow me? So what you need to do is simple. I'm going to show you one more time. Go over here, press Control 1, and first you select the number and then you go to custom. So it will give you the formatting that is exactly going on there. So we don't need all this. Just go there, remove everything. Of course, you need to place the channel. That shows that we are talking about number formatting. The comma talks about it's we need the thousand separator. So open a quote, place K, close a quote, and click enter. That's it. So you got 570,000. So I'm going to be taking this off, Control C and Control plus Alt plus V, and I will click the values and formats. So I got the values and formats there. I'm going to select the first cell, press Control and 1. It will give you the format that is present there, but I don't want that format there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove everything off, and I'm going to start with a channel and I'll place a 0 there. After that, place a decimal point and place 00. Since we are talking about in millions, this is the format we need to follow. So after that, place 2 comma. Okay, 1 comma is the thousand separator, the second comma is the million separator, and then place M within quotes and click enter. You see the beauty? How beautiful it is. 0.57 million. So I'm going to do this one more time. Say press Control 1 and the format is present there. Delete everything except the channel. After the channel you place a 0 and then place 0.00 and then place 2 comma and then followed by a M within quotes. Click enter. So anyway, I did not place the other code there, and that would give me 0.79. 0.788 is represented as 0.79 million. So in this case, Press Ctrl 1, go to the format, clear everything, place a 0 after the channel followed by a point, a decimal point and zeros and two commas to indicate the millionth representation. Open the quote, place M, close the quote and click enter, and you get the representation for the value in million. So that is how we get the thousandth representation and the millionth representation, students.